my name is Siti Burkis Amelia. In this video, I will discuss the issue of the impact of K-pop because until now there is still a lot of debate about whether K-pop can have an impact in providing inspiration or even providing challenge to teenagers K-pop fans. In this modern era, K-pop has become a very popular global phenomenon. Its existence has greatly influenced various groups around the world, especially among teenagers. With a unique concept, catchy songs, stunning choreography, and spectacular stage performance, K-pop has success in attracting the attention and entertaining of millions of fans around the world. Not only that, we cannot forget the talents and visual handsomeness and beauty of the idols that make us fall even more in love into the charm of K-pop. K-pop has transcended geographical boundaries to become a cultural force to be reckoned with. However, behind the excitement, joy, experience, and euphoria offered by K-pop, there is a deeper and more complex impact that needs to be considered by K-pop fans, or what we often call fangirls or fanboys, because it will indirectly affect their lives in the future. One of the most striking impact of K-pop is the inspiration it offers to teenagers worldwide. Many teenagers use K-pop as a source of inspiration for their life. The works, fashion, and lifestyle of K-pop idols serve as the main source inspiration for millions of teenagers worldwide to explore more about their talents and passion, pursue their life goals and dreams, and discover their own identity. The most prominent aspect of K-pop is the work. Music serves as a primary inspiration for all the work created and performed by idols, with lyrics that relate to the lives of idol K-pop or fans, containing positive messages, heartfelt story, and beautiful melodies, which are often used as entertainment and motivation for teenagers to pursue their dreams. Not only do K-pop songs serve as entertainment and motivation, but for some teenagers, K-pop songs are also used as encouragement and emotional source and comfort in difficult time in facing life, especially the lives of pubescent teenagers who are busy searching for their identity. Apart from that, the passion worn by K-pop idols is also used as a source of inspiration for several teenagers, especially if these teenagers are big fans of a particular K-pop idols or group. Unique, bold, and eccentric style of K-pop idols make them fashion icons, which will inspire teenagers to imitate their style or even encourage teenagers to explore their style and express themselves through fashion based on inspiration from K-pop idols. It is not only about physical appearance but also about expressing personality and self-identity. The attitudes, personality, and lives of K-pop idols also serve as source of inspiration for teenagers who play an important role in shaping the thought, attitude, and behavior of teenagers. K-pop idols are not just seen as singer or dancer, but as role models who are driven, emulated, or encouraged by teenagers. The dedication and hard work displayed by K-pop idols in achieving success is strong example for teenagers about the importance of determination, discipline, and perseverance in achieving their dream. The personal spirit and struggle of K-pop idols provide more hope and motivation for teenagers who may be facing difficulties in their life. Furthermore, all the positive value exhibited by K-pop idols also serve as motivation for teenagers to become the best version of themselves. On the other hand, of course, K-pop will also bring a number of challenges for teenagers. These challenges can be complex and varied depending on how individuals respond to the phenomenon. The challenge comes from within the teenagers themselves. They will feel pressure to find their own identity and their value in a culture influenced by strong influence from K-pop idols and K-pop trends. People feel pressure to achieve very high standard in terms of appearance, ability, and achievement similar to their favorite K-pop idols, leading to low self-confidence, exercise anxiety, and difficulty in balancing their involvement in the K-pop world with other responsibility or activity in their real life, such as education, family, or social interaction, which can lead to academic decline. decline, sleep problem, and social isolation. In this case, I will not take side on whether the influence of K-pop will bring inspiration to teenagers, and I will also not take side on whether the influence of K-pop will provide challenge to teenagers, because in this matter, the most important thing is to find a balance between these two things which originate from K-pop and ensure the teenagers can take advantage of the inspiration of it without getting caught up in the challenge. Teenagers must be aware that K-pop idols are also human being the flaws. This realization will help them not to be too influenced by unrealistic standards created by the entertainment industry. Then teenagers should focus on their own personal growth and achievement about being influenced by the standard or expectation of others. Moreover, teenagers should also limit their time engaging in the K-pop world and consuming K-pop content so that they can better balance their life. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye.